This is just wide enough for a car going over the railroad tracks. 12 feet 3 inches. No trespassing. Norfolk Southern Corporation. We're at Riverton Junction. Hopefully we can catch a few trains from here. If not, we'll at least take the drone up just to take a look at the yard. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're ready to travel. Well, as you can see there, this is about as close as we can get. Not unless you want to go to jail for a year, and whoever knows what the fine is. But hopefully we'll catch some trains here today. Well, we did happen to catch one train, so that's good enough. Not all was lost. I was here a couple hours, but at least you got to see from above at Riverton Junction here in Front Royal, Virginia, what it looks like. So if you get out here, of course, like I said, you can't go past those gates. You just got to stay here on the side road and hopefully catch a few trains. But next time, I need to invest in a radio. So if anybody out there knows a good radio that I can get that's not too expensive, that would be much appreciative. And on that note, traveler out.